Hey everyone, today I am going to show you how to get your full credit report from Equifax. Checking your credit report regularly is key to understanding your financial health and catching any errors early. So let's jump right in. First, head over to Equifax official website at equifax.com. You are entitled to a free credit report every 12 months under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, and right now Equifax offers free weekly report through annualcreditreport.com. To get started, you will need to log into your Equifax account. If you don't have one, click sign up and follow the steps to verify your identity. This may include answering questions and about past loans and credit accounts. Once logged in, navigate to the credit report section. From here, you can view and download the full report. It's a good idea to save a copy for your records. Your Equifax credit report contains several key sections: personal information, accounts and payment history, credit inquiries, and negative information. If you find any mistake, don't worry. You can dispute them directly through Equifax website. Keeping an eye on your credit report helps you stay informed and make smarter financial decisions. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more personal finance tips. See you in the next video.